Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma hekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli. Bukela nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
So far they've met all the parties that agreed to come. So we will know by Monday where to. But I'm confident that we'll find a solution.
Iphini likaMengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile uthi unethemba lokuthi asengaqhamuka amasu okugwema ukwenyusa kwe-VAT kanti ubekhuluma ngesikhathi evakashela ibandla i-Assemblies of God eThaba Nchu eFree State njengengxenye yephasika.
I'd be disappointed with the development that we have yesterday of between Belfast and Mashadado.
Wenyukile umthamo wezimoto emgwaqweni yakuleli njengoba izikulungwane zabantu bezelibangise ezingxenyeni zezwe njengoba kuyimpela sonto yephasika. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lesikhombisa izingunqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili la ku-SABC 1 na ku-SABC le high kanti igama lami nginguDaud Phungula. Iphini likaMengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile usanethemba lokuthi ithimba elijutshwe ukudingida izindlela zokugwema ukunyuswa kwentela yempahla ethengwayo lizoqhamuka nesisombululo. uMashatile ubehlanganyele nebandla i-Assemblies of God eThaba Nchu eFree State enkonzweni yephasika kanti kubephelezelwa izikhulu zikahulumeni kazwelonke nowesifundazwe kanjalo nomndeni wasebukhosini bakwaMorocco kanye nezikhulu ze-ANC eFree State.
Enkonzweni yephasika ebiseThaba Nchu eFree State, iphini likaMengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile unxuse amabandla ukuthi akhulekele labo abasuke bejutshelwe umsebenzi wokuhola izwe. Lokhu kuza njengoba ke i-ANC isaphezulu kwemizamo yokuqhamuka namasu wokugwema ukwenyuswa kwentela yempahla ethengwayo ngo-0.5% mhlalulunye kwezokwethwasa.
So far they've met all the parties that agreed to come. So we will know by Monday where to. But I'm confident that we'll find a solution. Well, there are always options, and one of the things we're looking forward to on Monday is that our team will come to us and say, these are the options, which direction do we take? But we will find a solution.
uMashatile uthi uzoqinisa ukusebenzisana phakathi kahulumeni namabandla kwazise aneqhaza elimqoka ekuthuthukisweni komphakathi.
It's not just a church where you come on a Sunday, you pray God and leave. They are involved with the communities, and that's how we're going to partner with them. We're also going to work closely to look at developments in this area. As a national government and the provincial government, the Premier is also here. So we've agreed that we have to focus in development, working with the church.
uMashatile uphinde wahlangana namalungu e-ANC esifundazweni Free State.
Kusenjalo iphini lokuqala likanobhala jikelele we-ANC uNomvula Mokonyane usezwakalise ukweseka ukuqoka kukaMcebisi Jonas njengesithunywa esikhethekile esijutshele kwelaseMelika. uJonas nowayeyiphini likangqongqoshe wezemali unikezwe umsebenzi wokuyoxoxisana nohulumeni wakuleli yazwe ngenhloso yokuqinisa ubudlelwane phakathi kwalamazwe.
Abantu abaningi eNingizimu Afrika behlanganyele emabandleni ahlukahlukene kulolu lwesihlanu. Iphini lokuqala likanobhala jikelele we-ANC Nomvula Mokonyane akazange asale ngaphandle njengoba ezinike isikhathi sokuya esontweni.
This is a very important day to the Christian community where we all reflect on the passion of Christ, an opportunity to reflect, an opportunity for forgiveness, but most importantly, a spiritual rejuvenation. We wish those that are traveling to different places of worship to drive safe.
Malungana nezindaba zombuso, uMokonyane usanethemba lokuthi wonke amaqembu ezombusazwe kuhulumeni obumbano lwesizwe azotholana.
going. We do believe that as we have been able to go through the fiscal framework and it going through Parliament, we will be able to also find one another. We have left, as the ANC, most of the other issues to Comrade President Cyril Ramaphosa as well as Parliament, because the processes now are before Parliament.
Wazwakalisa ukweseka umcebisi Jonas nosanda kuqokwa umengameli wezwe njengesithunywa esikhethekile sizojutshwa kuyobamba izingxoxo nohulumeni waseMelika.
Wenyukile umthamo wezimoto emgwaqeni yakuleli njengoba izinkulungwane zabantu bezilibangise ezingxenyeni zezwe njengoba uyimpela sonto yephasika. Kusenjalo iziphathimandla zithi zibaqaphe ngawokhozi abazokwephula umthetho.
Zingaphezu kwenkulungwane ezimbili imonto ebeyidlula ihora nehora ku Toll Plaza phakathi kwePolokwane nePitoli kusukela ekseni. Abomthetho bathi baphume ngobuningi ngenhloso yokuqinisekisa ukuthi bonke abantu bayaphepha abasebenzisa imigwaqo.
Our focus is on the major routes or the N routes as well as the provincial routes, which is R, like your R101.
Wengamele zokuphepha komphakathi esifundazweni eMpumalanga uthi umnyango wakhe uphoxekile ngesibalo sabantu asebeshonile emgwaqeni njengamanje.
We are a bit disappointed with the development that we have yesterday of the between Belfast and Mashadadorp, where two vehicles collided.
Ibhodi lengamele imncele kuleli liqinisekise ukuthi lenza imizamo yokunqanda izenze engekho emthethweni okubalwa kuzo nokweqa emngceleni Bedbridge eMusina eLimpopo.
Where we sit here, we can be able to view almost 30 kilometers on the borderline from where we are here. So that assists us to monitor those that may want to either exit the country illegally with the intention to smuggle the goods out of the country, and those that may have intentions to come into the country.
Leke kubiphithizela imigwaqo kulempela sonto ephasika kanti iphathimandla zineinhlelo zokuqondisa igwegwe kwabaphula umthetho.
Uphiko olubhekele imingcele yakuleli iBMA luthi imingcele yakuleli nayo ibematasa kakhulu namhlanje izimoto zingena ziphuma njengoba kuqala impela sonto yephasika.
It's very hectic. You will remember we started implementing our Easter operational plan from Tuesday, and of course that is the 15th running into the 16th, and of course the 17th, which is yesterday, was supposed to be the apex in terms of the number of travelers that actually exited South Africa in particular. So on that basis, we have been able to implement the plan according to how it has fairly been put together. And of course, in terms of our busiest land ports in particular, has been Lebombo, where I was actually deployed, and of course followed by a Beitbridge, where Deputy Commissioner Tupana is deployed. And of course, out of that, we have Maseru Bridge as well as Fixback. So everything has gone according to plan. We had fairly been able to do an average of around 20 or so thousand on a daily basis, particularly yesterday on the 17th, as it were. And of course, in terms of the airport, OR Tambo actually tops in terms of the number. In the past 24 hours, just for OR Tambo, we did over 24,000 people as they were exiting South Africa.
Ukela sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibeka ukuthi iphini likaMengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile uthi unethemba lokuthi asengaqhamuka amasu okugwema ukwenyuswa kwe-VAT kanti bekhuluma ngesikhathi evakashela ibandla i-Assemblies of God eThaba Nchu eFree State njengengxenye yephasika. Mukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo zicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzosithola ngomjalo bazo. Undunankulu waKwaZulu Natal Thami Ntuli nabanye abaholi bezombusazwe bahlanganyele nababandla ehlukene eThekwini njengoba kuqala impela sonto yephasika. uNtuli uthi kubalekile ukuba amakholwa ekhulekele ukuthi lelizwe likwazi ukuqeda inkinga yodlame oluyamene nobulili kuleli.
Abazalwane bazinikele emvuleni ukuzothamela inkonzo yephasika beqhamuka ezindaweni ezahlukahlukene ezakhele iTheku. Inhlangano yamabandla iDiaconal Council of Churches yaqala ukuhlela lo mcimbi waminyaka yonke eminyakeni engu-49 edlule. Ngenkathi kunezimpi zombusazwe esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal. Le nhlangano yaqala ngokuhlanganisa amabandla emzamweni wokuthi kube nokuzwana kubantu bezinhlanga zahlukene.
It is so relevant that the challenges that we are facing with or dealing with currently have multiplied. At that time, it was apartheid and oppression. Today, the challenges have multiplied because now we're dealing with gender-based violence and femicide.
And I believe we still need to struggle to fight together for peace in our society, to stand together so that our children will have at least hope about tomorrow.
Abazalwane balithakasele izwi.
Mina nje isikhathi sephasika njalo singikhumbuza ukuthi sisohambweni ngoba noJesu Kristo wangena eJerusalem last week lahamba uhambo namhlanje wabethelwa but kodwa okumnandi njengekholo ukuthi mawukholwa ukuthi ekufeni kukhona ukuvuka.
Mlondi Khadebe, SABC News, eThekwini.
Umnyango wezamanzi nenhlanzeko usunxuse laba abahlela ukubhabhadisa amakholwa nokwenza imisebenzi yesintu emfuleni ukuthi bame kancane ngenxa yemvula enamandla esanda nguna ezingxenyeni zezwe.
Phezu kwemibili yedlule umcimbi wokubhabhadisa emfuleni iJaskey eGoli waphenduka usizi ngemuva kokumenza kwabantu abangaphezu kwe10. Kwahlwa emini kuzikhona Henqe owashonelwa ngonina, indodana yakhe yabe ineminyaka emithathu ubudala kanye nosana olwalinezinyanga ezintathu ubudala isidumbu salo esingakazi sitholakale.
I wonder if perhaps someone saw my child and picked her for themselves, or she's probably somewhere I don't know, because there are a lot of things flooding my mind, more especially when it's raining or just anything that has got to do with water. It triggers me a lot and I end up asking myself all sorts of questions.
Kuyimpela sonto yephasika kunxuswa amabandla nabelaphi bendabuko ukuthi baqikelele ukuphepha uma bebhabhadisa.
Urge those who have spiritual and ritual activities that they do in the rivers and dams to please at this particular moment move away and try to suspend them a little bit. We are not insensitive, but we are more concerned about the loss of lives because they are going to be washed away, they are going to be drowned.
Uthumayo nabo basiqaphe ngesolokhozi isimo kulempela sonto.
We get to a situation where we don't have any incidents reported. That's where we'll say yes, our message is being adhered to. But so far, I will say it's not, because we still continue to receive this kind of incidents. So we'll still continue to make sure that our residents are informed about the dangers of visiting this kind of streams.
Ikhomishana yezimantshi ithola ukugxekwa ePhalamende ngokuhudula izinyawo ekuphutheleni amacala ezimantshi ezimisiwe. Ngesikhathi le khomishana icobelele ikomiti lezobulungiswa elikhethekile idalula ukuthi ibalelwa ezigidini ezingama30 nomuvo zamarandi imali ekhokhelwe izimantshi ezimisiwe kule minyaka eyisikhombisa edlule.
Isophulwa ngamalungu ePhalamende ngendlela abaziphatha ngayo omantyi kunye nomgangatho wezigwebo. Amanye amalungu ePhalamende athi amatyala emantyi ezinqunyanyiswe kukho izityholo zolwaphulo mthetho nokuthetha nabophuli mthetho fanele akhawuleziswe agqitywe.
This cannot take years. So clearly an explanation needed to be given in this report.
Issues of ethics. I get worried when we have to take a magistrate or a judge through that process. I mean, those are custodian of the Constitution.
Ikomishoni ithi iyaziqwalasela ezizityholo.
That is also an ongoing thing in terms of us looking at how to cap the cost of magistrates who are on suspension with a salary, as to at what point we should act swifter in terms of making that decision.
Ikomishoni ithi kukho ukungaxoli malunga nemivuzo yemantyi kwaye oku kukhokelele kwizityholo zoqhankqalazo ngaphambili. Ndingulama Matya weendaba ze-SABC ePalamente eKapa.
Inyunyana emele izisebenzi eziqashwe eTransnet ithi ilindele izwi elizophuma kumalungayo ngokuthi zizoqhubeka nesiteleka. Inyunyana iUnited National Transport isazimisele ngokubuyela etafuleni lezingxoxo ngaphansi kwesigcawu somxazululi phakathi komqashi nezisebenzi iCCMA.
Yenkulu yomnotho wezwe yencike kakhulu kuhwebo lwemikhiqizo engamagugu amiwayo. iTransnet inegalelo elibalekile ohlelweni lokuthuthwa kwalemikhiqizo efukula umnotho. Inhlangano ebhekele ezikaloliwe eAfrika yexwayise ngokuthi isiteleka esifufusa kwaTransnet singaba nomthelelo omubi kakhulu uma singakhalimeki.
My appeal to the unions, to Transnet, to Treasury, you need to sit down and collectively resolve the issues of how we ensure that jobs within Transnet are protected.
Izisebenzi zakwaTransnet zigaqele ukwenyuselwa iholo ngesilinganiso samaphesenti ayi-10 kanye nombandelo ukuthi ngeke kube nokudilizwa kwazo esikhathini esiwunyaka.
We made several presentations, including maybe suggesting a longer wage agreement between labor and management to ensure stability. And they really did not seem to consider this proposal at all.
We went into the conciliation process with a real and genuine desire to get an acceptable outcome. It's truly regrettable that we've not been able to reach an agreement with UNTU up to this point.
Le nkampani engaphansi kwamabhizinisi kahulumeni ithi izibophezele ngokuthola isisombululo ukuvimbela ukuqala kwesiteleka.
Enye yemicimbi ethandwa abantu eGqeberha iSplash Festival yama-33 iqalile namhlanje. Lo mcimbi wezinsuku ezine uqale ngomculo, izitolo zokudla, ezemidlalo kanye nokunye. Kanti lo mcimbi uhanjelwa izinkulungwane kanye namakhulu abantu unyaka nonyaka.
Abangani nemndeni bebezijabulisa. Lo mcimbi uhambisana nemimbungazo yempelasonto yePhasika kanti usuku lokuqala lishaye into ecokeme.
One of the highlights is the Galaxy Bingo Beach Arena that you mentioned with the National Volleyball South Africa competition. There's an array of entertainment this weekend, starting with the Spa Ware for Flavors food demonstration tent where we've got Chef Peter Goff-Wood, we've got Justine Drake.
I'm
really looking forward to going on all the rides, especially going upside down and just going around super fast. It sounds really, really fun.
It's been amazing. The teams, the competition level is really high. So the guys have come out, they're young people, they're old people, so it's been really good so far.
uMasipala eNelson Mandela Bay unethemba ukuthi lo mcimbi uzolekelela ukusimamisa umnotho wakuleli dolobha.
We are empowering your SMMEs through this event. There is food stores, all those people are locally from the city. I mean 90% from all this event is coming from the city, and then some artists which is coming from the 10% are coming from outside of the city.
Ngonyaka wedlule lo mcimbi wahanjelwa abantu abangaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezingama200. Abahleli bathi bafuna ukudlula lesi sibalo kulokho.
Bukele umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalanda. Bukele sizibeka lapho bese kuphathela zona ngolika Mageba kusasa bakholoza kwethu nezindaba zolimi lwesiXhosa. Mbukeli usale kahle.